Hi, it's Evelyn. Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel today. I truly appreciate it. If this is your first time tuning in, I would love to have you to join, subscribe, and be a part of my YouTube channel. Today, I'm coming back with a long-awaited update on my edges. 5 months ago in December, I presented a video on my DIY nettle and aloe vera hair growth serum for your edges. My edges was thin at the time of making this product, making this DIY, and I absolutely love it. I no longer use it twice a week, however. I do use it nightly, just one time a night and one time a day, primarily at night before I go to bed. I wash my makeup off my face and I still cleanse my edges and I apply the serum. I no longer make a 4-ounce bottle of the nettle and aloe vera growth serum. I do just put it in a 2-ounce bottle and I apply it around the edges of my hair. I definitely will have it coming this fall. Now about my edges. I will come up close here on the camera and show you how my edges are looking. The thing is about my edges here in the front, got a little length here on this side. My edges have really grown in quite a bit, filled out quite a bit. The thing is, I think I have reached a plateau. My edges are no longer growing in as fast. I think I've reached my growth potential in regards to my edges. My edges are not falling out due to my edge serum, of course, and my hair growth product, my stinging nettle, my tonic. I will release a new product today on my Etsy shop and I will have a video. I am prepping my hair for that video. I take my hairbrush like I did in that first video, come up a little close and show you my edges. And they have filled in, like I said, quite a bit. I have lots of hair here, around on the side, in the front. And I actually can grab it and pull it down about here. Here on my right side, it's gotten fuller, thicker. It does, my hair around my edges doesn't lay down like in my first video where I showed you how it was really smooth and baby fine around my edges. Now they are fuller, curlier, a little thicker around my edges. They're definitely thicker on my edges here, around my edges. So I just wanted to show you this update about my edges. I'm sorry that I didn't come back in 3 months as I promised that I would. I really wanted to give it a little bit more time to see if my hair would grow even more around my edges. But as I said, I think my edges have reached its growth potential. My edges aren't thinning out anymore. My hair is very strong around the edges. I do not style my hair I do not style my hair in a tight style around my edges to pull my hair, back out. But I am pleased with my results. The DIY how to make this serum is on my video. I will not ever take down a DIY that I put on my channel. It is there for you if you would like to make it and try it out around your edges. But I will say make a small amount, maybe 2 ounces or 1 ounce at a time, and use it on your head, because what I have learned is after maybe a week or two, it will go rancid on you because there are no natural preservatives in here. That's why I said I will have it coming out this fall, maybe fall or winter. I am in the making of this hair growth serum to make sure that it is natural, all natural, healthy for you to use. So this completes my update on my edges, on my hair growth progress around my edges, and I'll see you in my next video. In my next video coming up, I will be releasing a new product for your scalp health, for the health of your scalp. So give me a thumbs up, leave a message down below, and subscribe if this is your first time, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.